allow yourself to open your heart space, expanding them even deeper, allowing yourself to be vulnerable, to look within all the places that you have been avoiding, to feel and witness, to observe, and to allow yourself to release them. To release them to Mother as she holds you. You're safe. You're safe to feel, to release, and to expand, to close the chapters and move into a new chapter of your life now. One that feels more expansive, one that feels more in divine alignment with who you truly are. May you receive this transmission to serve your highest good. Te asoro se kira sameya. Te asoro ke sere seya. Tu akara sare he saram. Te asu arase. Tora seya o. Tora seya 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 ro. Tora seya 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 re su. Tora che sera tu sore che asore che Tora he Comborete ya sakara che sere sere te Toro tere chiera casa mboro Kashitera sikiera, te kiara sakaro kiera, ne kiara kata sakara kieram, ne teara kasara kararem, shukura ishikiera, kura sakara, kiara sutura yasaram. Kiera sara sieta rasietandam. Kiesieta. Koa ka lamba 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 dada kan dan 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 dia dan dia dan susukundan dia. Kiesa kura kanda sikierampu shu. Shu 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 shu. Thank you, thank you, thank you.